y'all, welcome back. So this is Modenise doing another unboxing. I just received this box from Soma Intimates. It actually came pretty quickly. I think I just ordered it on Sunday or Saturday, and today is actually Monday. So yeah, I ordered this, let me see, on the 17th, Friday I believe, and today is Monday and I've already received it, so that was pretty quick shipping. I got 3 of their full coverage bras because I like their bras. They give you a lot of support. So this one is just their like taupe nude color. It has not real lace. Well, I guess this is a lace overlay, but it's pretty. On the sides, the band is kind of thick on the sides. The straps are not the stretchy straps. This is the only part of the strap that's stretched, but I like these straps because they don't super stretch. It is underwire. I've never had an issue with the underwire actually coming out of this bra after multiple washes. It is very good, thick, sturdy material. It has a wide band, so if you're trying to cover up a roll or something, it does have the wide band. It does not super stretch. It's a tight stretch, so that's why I like it. This actually has the three hooks. They have another one that has 4 hooks, but this one comes with the 3 hooks. But the material and the quality of it, the stitching and everything is very good. These bras normally run $60 a piece. The reason why I picked up 3 of them real quick was because that they were on sale. Comes with all the information in here. But they were on sale for 3 bras for $99. So I went ahead and grabbed a couple. It looks like I'm missing one bra on my order. Let me see, was it sold out or something? It looks like they sent me 2 of the 3 bras. There's one more bra that I ordered that I'm missing, but this one is the black one. And I'm wondering why they sent these bras in such a big box, but this is the black one. Real nice, pretty satin bra. Same thing with this one. This one must be a little bit different because this one actually has 4 hooks instead of the 3 hooks. So this one is 4 hooks, but it's still the same quality. Again, I like the straps because the straps do not stretch. The only part of the strap that's going to stretch is this part back here. And it's a very tight, thick stretch. You can wash it 100 times. That stretch is not going to be any looser than this right here. It's a tight stretch on here. But this is really nice. It's smooth. It gives you smooth coverage. It doesn't give you pointy titties or anything like that. Very smooth up under the arms, around the back as well. But this is again an underwire bra. The underwire, you never have any issues. You never have any issues as far as the underwire coming out of these bras. They're made very good and they're very sturdy and very supportive. They keep the girls sitting up. So I really do like these 2. In this order, I ordered 3 because it was 3 for $99. So I went ahead and ordered 3. I have to check my email to figure out where my 3rd bra is, but hopefully it's not too far behind if they have to send it separate or something like that. So I will call to find that information out because I am missing one of my bras. But this is just a quick order. I prefer the full coverage bras from Sonoma Intimates versus Victoria's Secret. If you're looking for something that is really cute, these are more classy bras. They're not the extravagant. They don't have a lot of different cute bras like you would find at Victoria's Secret or with Xfinity bras and stuff like that. But the support is very good. If you're looking for a good supportive bra, then Sonoma Intimates is the company for you. Victoria's Secret bras, the elastic gives out after a while. The band starts stretching after a couple of washes, so that's why I really don't wear those too much. But the Sonoma, for the price you pay, you're getting a good quality bra. Now the sizing is going to be a little bit different because I think Sonoma is based on European sizing. So the sizing, you can't just size yourself in the same size I wear in Victoria's Secret, I don't wear in Sonoma Intimates. Okay fam, so this was just a quick unboxing, little review of Sonoma Intimates. I love their bra line for full coverage if you have a heavier chest. The quality, they last long through multiple washes. You don't have to do anything special as far as washing these bras. The underwire, you don't have to worry about underwire coming out. And I think that's about it. I have one more bra that should be coming. It's just not in this order. I don't know why they sent such a big box, but they packaged everything with care and the shipping was really fast. I just ordered these on Friday and today is Monday, and I did not pay for expedited shipping at all. Let me know what bra company you guys like, if it's Victoria's Secret, if it's Target, if it's somebody out of Macy's, if it's Xfinity bras. But my favorite bra brand right now is Sonoma Intimates. Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time fam, bye.